Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, depending on what time you're gonna watch this video. Our team will be presenting on future competitive business models and value creation. So we will basically explore how businesses are evolving, the type of models that are emerging, and how companies can create value not only for themselves, but also for customers, society, and the environment. So let's begin. Let's go to start. Here is our introduction. The reality is the world is changing fast. Businesses are no longer just competing on prices and product features. Today, technology, sustainability, and shifting customer expectation are reshaping the rules. And companies that succeed in the future, company that want to succeed in the future will be those that rethink of how they deliver value, how they bring value, how they create this particular, aspect that we make them stand out, how they will serve their customer, how they will use technology, how they will impact the society. So in this presentation, we will look at four major models that are leading this change that we want to see in terms of value. So we're going to take a look at platforms. Secondly, community or businesses. Thirdly, AI-powered models. And finally, service-based system. So moving forward, it is very important to have and to set our understanding. So the first question is why business models are changing. So there are three big reasons why those business models are changing. The first reason is because of technology. Innovations like artificial intelligence, uh, computing, and mobile apps makes it easier actually for companies to offer smart, scalable, and personalized solutions. Sorry. And then the second will be customer behavior. People expect fast services. They want to be satisfied. So and products tailored for them. So it's all about the customers. This is also the second reason why, business models are changing fast. And then finally, we have social and environment pressure. So customers now, they really care about how the company treat them, how the company care about them. So this is also another reason why, the business models are changing. So business must change, not just to survive, but to stay relevant and responsible. So moving forward, I will give the floor to my colleague to continue.
Hello everyone. My name is Rugambwa Mafi, and I'll be taking you to the platform business models. Uh, One of the most powerful models today is the platform model, and this is when a business connects two or more user groups, like drivers and passengers, or buyers and sellers. Examples includes user and Airbnb, and these companies don't own cars or hotels, yet they earn huge profits by charging fees for their platforms. So they grow quickly because of network effects, and the more people use the platform, and it's the more valuable it becomes. So it's a win-win for users and the company. Moving quick to the next slide. Uh, is our community-owned models. Uh, so not all business models are about big tech. Some focus on community and local empowerment. One of examples that I may say is eSomeday, which is a digital marketplace in a smaller towns of India. It's not owned by big corporation. It's not, and instead is run by the local community, like shopkeepers, service providers, and smaller businesses. So this model helps local economics to grow and keep profits in the hands of the people who live there. Moving quick to the next slide. Here comes AI-driven models. So another future-focused model is built around artificial intelligence or AI. Companies now collect huge amounts of data called dark data because it's unused. So with AI, they can turn this into variable insights. For example, uh, Shopify Magic uses AI helps smaller businesses to write product descriptions, to analyze business trends and descriptions, and also to personalize shopping for customers. And it saves time and it reduces mistakes. So AI also helps companies to make smarter decisions based on real-time data. So thank you. My colleague can continue with the next slides.
So thank you again. So here comes products plus service models. Another important model, which is the combination of products and services. Instead of selling a product once, companies now offer it as a service. So, for example, Rolls-Royce, they don't only sell airplane engines, but they offer a plan called Power by the Hour, where customer pay based on how much the engine is used. So the model creates steady income, and the company gives better services to their customers. So it's built long-term relationships, and keep both sides invested and engaged. Then we have the next very important aspect we're going to talk about. It is value creation. So we create value in 4 ways. All these businesses models create value in 4 ways. The first way is customer value. They offer easier, faster, and more personalized services. Very important. And then you have operational value. They use tech to work smarter, not harder only, cutting costs, prices, and errors so that it's going to be much more effective. Then we have financial value. So models like subscription or platform brings steady and growing incomes. Finally, we have societal value. So they help communities, to protect the environment and include more people in the economy. So it's all about engaging with the people and the environment. And the best companies today look at all those 4 aspects, all those 4 values that we just talked about, not only the profits. And this leads us to the conclusion. What should we say? To succeed in the future, businesses must be flexible and tech-savvy. And finally, purpose-driven. So whether it is using AI, running a platform, building a community-led marketplace, the key is to create value, not only profits. Okay, the goal is to work for your customers, your community, and the world at large. So communities that embrace these models will not only survive, but they will lead the future. Thank you.